In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a quote on Xero in this updated 2025 tutorial. Whether you're new to Xero or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps to ensure your quotes are ready to impress your clients. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Business tab. From there, proceed to Quotes. If you're creating a new quote, click on the plus new quote button. Alternatively, if you're working with an existing quote, just select it from the list. When setting up your quote, you'll need to fill in several key pieces of information. Begin with the customer contact details. This ensures the quote is correctly addressed. Next, decide whether to let Xero automatically generate a quote number or to enter one manually. Set the date and the expiry date of the quote to clarify its validity period for your client. Include the items or services you're quoting for, detailing each item's quantity, price, and applicable taxes. These details not only make your quote professional, but also leave no room for ambiguity. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to save your quote. You have the option to save it as a draft or set it to awaiting approval, depending on your workflow. Remember, to preview the quote, it must be saved at the very least as a draft. This is a crucial step to ensure accuracy before presenting the quote to your client. Now that your quote is saved, let's preview it. Open the saved quote and look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the preview button, which might also appear as Preview PDF or Print PDF. Clicking this button gives you a layout view of the quote, exactly how your customer will see it. It includes your business logo and details, line items, total amounts and taxes, along with any terms and conditions you've set in your Xero settings. This step is pivotal in verifying that everything appears professional and is in order. If the preview looks good and you're satisfied with the quote's appearance and details, you have a couple of options to proceed. Click on the email button to send the quote directly to your customer. This is efficient and allows your client to respond promptly. Alternatively, if you prefer, click on Print PDF to download or print a hard copy. When customers receive their email copy of the quote, they'll be provided with a secure online version. This digital version conveniently includes options for them to accept or decline the quote, making the process smooth and user-friendly for both parties. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to preview a quote on Xero, ensuring your clients receive accurate and professional-looking proposals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.